Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to check Facebook primary location. To check it, first of all, what you need to do is open your Facebook application and then make sure you have logged into it. Once you are there, hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you'll see an option of setting and privacy. Go through it and hit on the settings. From here, go through the account center and hit on the your information and permissions and then select access your information. Now from here, hit on the logged information and there you will see an option of primary location. So in this very easy step, you can easily check your primary Facebook location. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.